In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Canva account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect on screen so you can get into your Canva workspace quickly and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to canva.com. Type it directly into the address bar to avoid any lookalike sites, and check that you're on the official Canva homepage. You'll recognize it by the familiar Canva branding and a clean layout featuring design templates and a top navigation bar. If you see options like Try Canva Pro or Start Your First Design, that's normal. What you're looking for is the Log In option, usually found at the top right of the page. Click Log In to move to the sign-in screen. If a sign-in panel appears as a pop-up on the homepage instead, that works the same way. Just continue there. Now, on the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google. It's typically labeled Continue with Google and includes the Google logo, making it easy to spot. Clicking this opens Google's account chooser. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you want to use with Canva. If you manage multiple Google accounts, for example, personal and work, be sure to pick the account that already has your Canva designs connected, so everything syncs correctly. After selecting your Google account, Google may briefly confirm that you want to proceed. This is just a standard security check. Once confirmed, you'll be redirected right back to Canva. When the login is successful, you'll land on your Canva home dashboard, where you can see your recent designs, templates, and your profile avatar in the top corner. That's your visual confirmation that you're in. A few quick tips in case something doesn't look right. If the Google account chooser doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Allow pop-ups for canva.com and try again. If you accidentally chose the wrong Google account, sign out of Canva and repeat the Google sign-in, selecting the correct one. And if your browser is signed into Google under a different profile, switching to the right browser profile can help the correct account appear in the chooser. That's all there is to it. Go to canva.com, click Log In, select Continue with Google, pick your account, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating in Canva.